Hello trader, in this video you'll learn the ultimate step-by-step to master your BlackArrow One and how to set up your workspace, for example, from scratch and use the right tools to avoid making any operational mistakes in your prop firm. So in this version of BlackArrow One platform, you can use it on mobile, the web version, or even on your desktop. It's available for Windows and for Mac. So let's jump into it. Step 1. Opening and configuring the chart. The first tool is the heart of everything, the chart. To open a new one, go to the top menu, click on Chart, and then on New Chart. Keep in mind that the one version of the platform you can use up to 2 charts. Want to change the asset? No need to look for a button. Just click in the middle of the chart and type the ticker. For example, MES Fut or MNQ Fut. Then hit enter. To change the time frame, the process is the same. Type 60 to see the 1 hour chart, or 5 to the 5-minute chart. Step 2. Drawing tools and studies. In the upper left corner of the chart, click this little arrow to open the toolbar. Clicking on the pencil icon opens the study tools. Here you can select the hand to drag the chart sideways, draw trend lines, channels, text, and even Fibonacci retracements. Want to customize? Right-click on any line you drew to change the color, thickness, and even add a breakout alarm to notify you when the price gets there. Step 3. Chart styles and indicators. Next to the study bar, you can change the chart style to bars, line, mountain, or the classic candlestick. And to add indicators, it's very simple. Right-click on the background of the chart and go to Add Indicator. Hey trader, if you want to see more videos like this from trader to trader, click in the card up here. Let's search for moving average. Select the indicator and choose whether you want to insert it directly on the chart or in a new panel below it. Define the period like 20 or 200 periods and click OK. If you want to change its settings later, just double-click on the indicator line. Step 4. How to execute orders. Now, the most important part for those in a prop firm, sending orders. Click on the title arrow on the right side of the chart to open chart trading. Here you choose your account, pay a close attention to select your prop firm account, define the quantity here of shares of contracts, and see the total financial value of the order. We have the quick buttons: buy sell limit to schedule your order at a specific price, buy sell market to enter the trade immediately, reverse flips your position on the spot. If you were long, you go short, and the same the other side. Close and cancel close, the panic button, of course, to exit everything instantly. And for those who like speed, keyboard shortcuts are your best friends. Hold Shift, as you can see, and click on the price to set a buy order, and hold Alt and click on the price to set a sell order. Step 5. Your daily X-ray. To wrap up, the secret to consistency, reviewing your trades. In the top menu, click on Trade and then on Performance Report. On this screen, you can track your win rate, profit factor, detailed history of each trade, and even your equity curve chart. Use the filters at the top to separate the simulator from the live account. And that's it. Now you have the basic mastery of the platform to trade without fear of making any wrong click. Do you have any questions about BlackArrow? Comment down below that we will answer each question that you guys have. So if this video helped you, of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a like and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.